Oh hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm letting you into my hair care routine while I get ready for an awards function. I am so looking forward to it. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with my hair and I've been getting so many requests to spill the beans on this one. So finally it's here. Shh, the last step is my favorite. Here's what I follow. Okay, so I make sure to wash my hair with lukewarm water and then I finish it off with a splash of cold water. One thing I make sure I do now is wrap my hair in a microfiber towel. I used to use normal hair towels before, the regular ones, and I have to say the microfiber towels are way better. It keeps my hair from breaking and absorbs water from my hair faster than regular towels. Honestly, a total must-have. So after patting my hair dry, the first thing I do is apply this hair serum. The Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum because it does wonders for my hair. It totally makes my hair smoother and more frizz-free than ever. It is infused with the goodness of argan oil, so it makes your hair up to 2 times smoother. I have honestly lasted 2 days with perfect hair without any additional applications by only applying it once. Make sure to warm up the serum in your hands for about 5 seconds. This way it helps in evenly spreading it across your hair strands. I use about 2 pumps for my shoulder length hair because this seems to be enough to keep my hair in place, but you can use however much you want. So after this, I gently detangle my hair with a white tooth comb. It minimizes breakage and hence reduces frizz too. I have always struggled with frizzy hair and I've tried almost all of the serums available in the market. But the best one that has worked for me is definitely the new TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Serum. It coats strands, acting as a heat protectant which helps minimize heat damage. It is a total must-have in any heat styling routine in my opinion. I love how this serum helps in multiple ways for the daily grind. My hair is better in just 3 easy steps. Pump, apply, and you can wave frizzy hair goodbye. And as you can see, it's just gliding across my hair. There are absolutely no knots. This makes it so easy to comb out your hair. So I'm wearing a black dress tonight and I'm thinking of doing beachy waves as my hairstyle. I personally love beachy waves because they make my hair look smooth and bouncy. I'm ready! Here's to summarizing my quick hair routine secret for all of you lovely people. I have been absolutely loving and using the Tresemme Keratin Smooth range. The shampoo and the conditioner have been a staple of my hair care routine for well over a year. I cannot even begin to tell you how manageable this has made my hair. It's so incredibly smooth, frizz-free, soft and bouncy and smells so good. Let me add, this shampoo and conditioner is gonna make your hair smell so good. Do check out the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. I would absolutely love to know your experience once you try this out. I'm gonna mention all the links to buy this product in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Good hair gives you so much confidence and I love and highly recommend this range. My hair feels great and I'm ready to take on the world. I'm gonna leave for my awards function. Wish me luck. Maybe I'll win an award or 2. Who knows? Mwah. Toodles!